Sure, what's your name? Oh, what's your name? Hilda who?
I couldn't bear to know that there was a room in my house that I'd never seen.
Oh, okay, so... Who the hell is she? I didn't even watch it, so... But who cares? Have you been thinking about which category you want to go for? Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, this Hilda woman is going to win!
My name is Hilda! And yes, I'm really gonna beat Chuckbird's winning streak. No matter how big his brain is or how smart he is. Yes, woo! I'm gonna prove that and punch Chuck all the way up to Mars. Face it, Chuck. Who will lose?
How to scam others into doing it for me.
Not Hilda, if that's what you think.
Danger!
No! Uh-oh, she's winning! Hilda! Hilda!
Yes,
You stop that, Hilda! No! That's not fair, Hilda! Hilda, stop it!
No!
Time to put some points on the board. I'm gonna kill Hilda because he's gonna win. I hate laundries. Alright, Hilda. Can you beat Chuck? No, Hilda, don't you dare speak. Oh, I'll shout at you. What's your beat? Don't supposed to be, but what am I talking? Oh no! No! Hilda won! How could you, Hilda? Oh no! Damn it, Hilda! I was so close! I will strangle you to death. No!
There is no order, there is chaos and there is crime.